I don't think the GoPro could see it very well. Oh my. Yeah, I couldn't, the fuck?
Like I said, I could, but it's just like, I don't know, it's kind of little.
Well, there's a lot of light right here, I could see it. I don't know about over here. Look, there's a bag right there if you want to check it out. Cones, other stuff. We're gonna go treasure hunting here. See if anything's on the field. Remember, we did that with the lacrosse balls. Christ. Does it look like they cut down more trees there, or is it just me? Oh, it's a squirrel, or a bunny. Another bunny. Ah, you can't really see it. We're gonna have to format the GoPro when we get home.
Well, I had to think about maybe I could have. I don't know.
Look at the sky, is a little bit kind of weird.
It's just a lot better from way too.
When you showed me over there by the shortcut, I was like, no way. I do want to go back by the goalie net and see what someone left. Out of curiosity. No, that light over there by the garbage can is on. But these alley lights, I don't know. I have no idea why the lights would be off. No, right here it's not too bad. That's pretty scary, no? Just have the right there by the nut, the chair.
Yeah, so I'm just thinking like, what the hell happened to the lights?
Hands are getting cold. Dude, it looks so abandoned by the
Like imagine coming,
Imagine if you're coming from down the street there and you gotta walk home this way and you gotta walk through the park.